Today I will show you how to create this nice effect that something appears from the bottom. You can see it on many websites these days, like this. And I will show you how to do this in Webflow. So let me open this dummy website. There are two ways of doing that, the simple way and a bit more complicated with more controls. So we have this simple website with the navigation bar, the hero section and a few blocks that go below it. We want to animate these blocks. How do we do that? Let me show you the more complex way first. So we go to the Interactions tab, we have the element, trigger and scroll into view. We click the plus icon and scroll into view. When the element scrolls into view, we select this action, start an animation. And as we don't have animation to select from, we have these timed animations here and we click plus. Let's call it slide into view. And we add the first action. The first action is opacity. The initial state of the element opacity is 0 and we check this set as initial state. Then we add move and the element is slightly below its normal position, so we need to move it down, and to do that we select the y-axis and let's push it down by 40 pixels, like that. What's important is that this initial state is also connected to opacity, so they are both set as the initial state. Now we need the second state, the point B of this animation. This is point A. And we select this element again and add same things, opacity, but we need to drag it down and we change the opacity to 100%. Let's change the duration to 0.3 seconds. And again, the movement also connected to here, and we need to, even if it's set to 0, we have this icon that is telling us that something is not right. Let's change the duration to 0.3. I don't know why it reset to 0.5. Let's save this animation, and now when we scroll, you see that this block appears just like that. Okay, cool. Now let me show you the quicker way of doing that. Let's select the purple block, go to Interactions, element trigger, scroll into view. Now what we do, we select not the element but the class. But now instead of creating custom animation, from the drop down we select slide, and here we select not from left but from bottom. The offset, let's make it 10% and delay is 1.3 milliseconds, just like this. So as you can see, the same thing but fast. And as we set this animation to a class, we can choose the same class here and the same class here as well, and it will repeat this animation for both. Let me know if this video was useful. If you'd like to see more tutorials, you can subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and see you in the next video.